In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a team in Dropbox, creating a collaborative workspace where multiple users can work together under a single account. Let's dive into the process step by step, focusing first on setting up a basic team, which is part of Dropbox's free plan. This is a great option if you're starting out and looking to get your team working together quickly without any upfront costs. To begin, you'll need to sign in to your Dropbox account at Dropbox.com. Use the credentials associated with your Dropbox account and log in. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the screen or in a prominent section of the interface. You should see an option to start a team. Click on it. This is where the magic begins, as you'll start creating the collaborative environment for your team. Next, you'll need to think about who you want to collaborate with. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to add to your team. It's worth noting that you can add just about anyone, whether they already have a Dropbox account or not. As you add these email addresses, think about how your team will operate and who plays a critical role in your desired workspace. In this step, you'll also have the opportunity to name your team. Look for a pencil icon next to the current team name. By clicking this, you can edit and customize the team name. Think of a name that represents the purpose or spirit of your collaborative group. Whether it's something professional or creative, make sure it identifies the team effectively. With the emails entered and your team named, the next move is to click Send Invites. The people you've invited will receive emails containing the invitation to join your team. It's essential for them to accept these invitations, so a quick follow-up might be necessary if you're keen on getting things rolling faster. Once these invitations are accepted, your invitees will officially become members of your team. As part of the basic team plan, a shared team folder will automatically appear in everyone's Dropbox. This will serve as your collective workspace where all team members can access and contribute files. And just like that, you've set up a basic team in Dropbox. You now have a shared space where collaboration can thrive. Remember, this setup allows everyone you've added to work with the same files, fostering an environment where teamwork and organization are at the forefront. Whether you're working on projects, sharing resources, or coordinating tasks, having a centralized location like this can significantly enhance your collaborative efforts. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating with your new Dropbox team.